This is what we're looking for. So guys, to summarize it, nice and quick, EURUSD, we're looking for this to happen. Then we're entering a buy here. We'll call it out in the Telegram channel. When it comes to gold, what we're looking for right now, nothing. We want to see how market treats this zone right here. Right now it's very, as you guys see with this wicks, very undecisive. Market don't know what direction it's going to go now. Bulls and bears are fighting with each other. When it comes to Bitcoin, guys, I have to melt this a little bit. I have to do a little bit of research on this, because what I think here is more than technical matters, is fundamental matters. We want to see on the fundamentals what's going on, because fundamentals, as I said, is showing that Bitcoin is supposed to drop from here, and technical says that we have a perfect buy opportunity. So something is off. They're showing two different directions. So I'm gonna get back to you guys on this. We might have a super trade brewing here, but I'm gonna get back to you guys on this in the Telegram channel. And that's it.